Welcome to Rebel, your floating villa and island home. Leave your world, enter ours. Our 5 spacious above-deck cabins offer exceptional comfort. The master and VIP suites are located on the upper deck, while the 3 remaining cabins sit on the main deck. Every detail has been carefully considered. A fusion of contemporary elegance and authentic Indonesian craftsmanship. With custom artwork, local carvings, and hand-selected textures throughout, the design invites comfort and connection in every corner of the boat. Our spacious, welcoming dining areas are designed for long, lingering lunches and leisurely dinners. Rebel also features a wine cellar, fully stocked with exceptional drops from around the world. Whether your day takes you through jungle trails, coral gardens, or quiet stretches of sand, Rebel is the perfect place to return to, with plenty of space to stretch out, breathe, and just be. With a uniquely flat, expansive rooftop deck, Rebel offers panoramic 360-degree views and the perfect setting for sunset cocktails and canapes. This is Rebel, your home away from home. The most unforgettable way to explore off-grid Indonesia.